Here he comes back. That's the way you clean one out. Big Dickie's trying to clean all that right there. He's got a little bit of mud left on the front end, but now the radiator's looking pretty good. If you need to clean a radiator out,
Find a river.
Find yourself a river or a good deep creek and you can clean your radiator out. And most of your Polaris's has got that problem and these others, but now I don't have that because mine's right back here. He's going to clean himself out one more time. We'll follow him through there on this one. If I follow him, I don't get as much water because he cleared the trail for me. My floorboard does get filled up though.
Got my Tom wet.
And he got his jack wet, he said, so
Got my Tom wet.
that's the part of it.